So let's get started. Okay, so I'm reviewing David Bates's profile here. And I want to say that right off the bat, I like the color scheme because it is simple, it is clean on his banner right off the top. The problem is I don't know what's your story going to be. This makes me think he might be working as a storyteller, but it conflicts with what he calls himself up here, which is an executive coach with operating experience. Then when I go down to his uh, headline, he's asking, wondering if you're a founder who's good, not just lucky. I can help, especially a second time around. This actually goes to who he is working with. I tend to work with female founders and folks from strategically undervalued communities. So this question as to whether being good and just versus lucky is not something that comes up for my people. But if that is something that does come up with the people he's working with, it would be good to lean into it. I am generally not a fan, though, of using your LinkedIn banner as a point of engagement. Instead, I'd rather see a declarative statement. This is the result that somebody wants to be. And we can go into details on something that would look good here, but this is I like this is a clever little uh visual, but the question really for me is I don't understand exactly what he's doing just by looking at his banner. The photo is a really great photo, but the background, I would suggest solid. You can do this in Canva for free or cheap. Uh, I would recommend getting that out because he's got a great smile, he's got a great face on this, and I think it really detracts from what he has to offer on that. Now, one of the things I did notice when I reviewed David's profile is when we go all the way to the bottom, he does an excellent job making sure his people give him recommendations. The last one was just this September, and it was a year ago. So I would suggest to him if he's got anybody more recent to bring that in. But he does a really good job. He has a whole bunch of them. There's some people that's where they go to. They go straight to the recommendations before they work with people. So that's to keep that in. And he's also given a whole bunch. So he's not just a taker, he also gives. So that really, really works well on his profile and probably offsets a lot of other things that I might fix up or change on his profile. And that's it. So big thank you to David for letting me review his profile. If you would like a review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I am able to do it.